Want to snap amazing portrait shot in a flash? Here's a simple trick. You can set the side button to instantly open the rear camera in portrait mode, even when your screen is off or locked. To do so, head into setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features, tap side button, tap double press, turn it on if it's not already, choose camera, then tap the setting icon next to it. Finally, confirm by tapping take portrait. To see how it works, turn off the screen and then double press the side button. As you can see, your phone will instantly launch the rear camera in portrait mode instantly. No more swiping or switching mode. It's perfect for those quick, beautiful background blur shot on the go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.